Jaguar XJ Upgrade 10-point to 5-inch screen tutorial. First, pry out the screen frame. Screw out the air conditioner button plate screw and take out the button plate. Remove the keypad. Unscrew the screen screw out and take out the screen. Remove the screen. Unplug the wire. Unscrew the host screw and take out the host. Remove the host. Unplug the main power cord. Start spinning. Load back to the host. Screw back the screws and install the back cover of the screen. Install the back cover of the screen. After routing, put it back on the screen. Hello, shall do. Open video. Hello, shall do. Turn on the music. Hello, shall do. Hello. Navigate to windows of the world. Found multiple results. Which one are you going to? The first one. Plan 3 navigation routes for you. Which one please choose? The first one. Ready to go. The whole journey is 26.3 kilometers. About need.